Purvachal hill ranges lie in the northeast and also called the northeastern hills. These are not very high hills and thus are covered with thick forests. The Purvachal hill ranges mostly cover the northeastern states of India, which are Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya. The main occupations of the people here are farming and weaving. They grow rice, maize, potatoes, ginger, pulses and oilseeds. Along with this, they also grow oranges, pineapples and bananas for the sale in the market. Now we will read about these states one by one, starting with Arunachal Pradesh. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. The state is famous for its fruit orchards and orchids. Well students, do you know what are orchids and orchids? Are they both the same? No, they are very different from one another. An orchard is a space of land where fruits bearing trees are grown, and an orchid is an exotic and highly prized flower. Some of the people of Arunachal Pradesh also do wood carving, carpet weaving and make bamboo and cane products. Few places of tourist interest are Itanagar, Zairo and Tawang. Next state is Nagaland. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. People in this state also do farming and weaving. Apart from the wood carving and pottery are also important occupations. Different tribes are found in Nagaland. Do you know what tribe means? A tribe is a group of people or a community with similar values or interests, a group with a common ancestor or a common leader. We can tell the tribe a Naga belongs to from the design on their shawls because the Nagas wear shawls of different designs. Few places of tourist interest are Kohima and Dimapur. Moving on, next state is Manipur. Imphal is the capital of Manipur. Many fruits grown here like lychee, chestnut, walnut, papaya and passion fruit. The craftsmen make many articles from bamboo, cane and leather. The Manipuri dance is very popular. Few places of tourist interest are Imphal and Ukhrul. Next state is Mizoram and its capital is Aizawl. Earlier people were indulged in the traditional farming, but now it has been replaced with fruit and rose cultivation. Some people also make silk and silkworms. An important festival celebrated here is Chapchar Kut, which is celebrated in the month of March. Chero or the bamboo dance is an important part of Chapchar Kut festival. Let's talk about the state Tripura. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. Jute, rubber and bamboo are grown here and people make many handicrafts using bamboo. People of Tripura mostly speak Bangla and Kokborok. The main tourist attractions are Agartala and Unakoti. The last state of Purvachal range is Meghalaya. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. People of Meghalaya belongs to the Garo, Khasi and Jaintia tribes. Along with being a tribe, Khasi and Garo are the languages also that are widely spoken in the state. The major tourist attraction is the Strawberry Festival, which is held every year in the month of February. Shillong and Cherrapunji are popular places in Meghalaya to visit. Interesting fact: Meghalaya is the highest rainfall state in India. That means Meghalaya is the state which receives the highest amount of rainfall.